All right, kindergarten, you are going to open up to page 173 in your math workbook. And I want you to get scissors and cut out these shapes. Only cut on the green lines. Only cut on the green line. So you're going to cut here on the green line. You're going to cut here, here, here. Cut all the shapes out. Not cutting on the shape, you're cutting on the green line to cut out each shape. And then I want you to keep all of these right by your learning spot because we're going to use it for math class. So again, turn to page 173 in your math workbook. Rip the page out of the book carefully, and then get scissors and cut on these green lines and cut out all the shapes only on the green lines. And then again, put it on in a pile on your workstation and keep it for math time.